Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will dive deep into WhatsApp business descriptions and learn how to craft an effective one for your business. Stay tuned because we've got some awesome ready-to-use examples waiting for you at the end of the video. Let's get started. Alright folks, before we jump into tips and tricks of writing and also WhatsApp business description, let's talk about why it's so crucial for your business. Your WhatsApp business description is like your virtual storefront. It's the first thing potential customers see when they visit your profile, so you want to make a fantastic first impression. The primary goal of a WhatsApp business description is to tell your customers who you are and what to expect from your business. It needs to be compelling and concise, telling customers exactly what your business is all about. Now that you understand the importance of a strong WhatsApp business description, let's go through some tips to write an effective one. First thing first, keep your description clear and to the point. It is limited to 256 characters, so you need to keep it short and sweet. Avoid jargon or lengthy explanations. Tell people what your business does in a few sentences. Highlight what sets your business apart from the competition. Maybe it's your amazing customer service or your eco-friendly products. Add relevant keywords that people might use to find businesses like yours. This will help you appear in search results. The Discover Businesses feature is currently only available for use in Colombia, Mexico, Indonesia, and the UK. However, soon it will be available in many different locations. Last but not least, call to action. Don't forget a compelling CTA. Encourage people to contact you, make a purchase, or visit your website. It's up to you what to use as a CTA, but make sure you have one in there. And there you have it. Some awesome WhatsApp business description examples to get your creative juices flowing. Don't forget, we'll put these examples and more in the description below for you to use as inspiration. Now, if you want more WhatsApp business tips and tricks, check out our blog. The link is right there in the description too. Make sure to hit that like button if you find this content valuable. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.